In a small village called Quietville, people no longer said please, thank you, or sorry. Life had become dull and distant. But there lived an old cook named Miss Clara, who had a secret, a magical cauldron that made very special soups. One morning, she noticed her favorite soup had lost its flavor. "What's missing?" she asked. The cauldron bubbled and replied, "The words from the heart are lost in the crowd." So Miss Clara gathered a handful of old words that no one used anymore. "Please, thank you. Sorry, excuse me, you're welcome." She tossed them into the cauldron and poof! A golden soup began to glow. She called the children of the village to taste it. At first, they were unsure, but soon their eyes sparkled. Each spoonful made their hearts feel warmer and lighter. That's when the soup began to sing.
If you need a hand, just say please. It's gentle and kind, like a soft summer breeze. If someone helps, say thank you out loud. It's a hug and words that makes hearts proud. If you make a mistake, say sorry, it's true. It heals without blame, like morning dew. And excuse me makes room for care. Magic words show love everywhere.
The children ran off joyfully, spreading the magic words throughout the village. Soon, Quietville was bright again, filled with laughter, kindness, and smiles. Miss Clara smiled. Words are the seasoning of the soul. When used with care, they transform the world. And from that day on, in Quietville, the taste of kind words was never forgotten.